Hi, my name is Juanita. I'm a dietitian and also a LEAP therapist. If you currently are a person who has symptoms from your autoimmune issue, IBS, fibromyalgia, or migraines, perhaps it's time to set up a phone consult with me. And what we would do during that session, we would talk about where you are, what you're struggling with, where you would want to be, and what your options might be to help you relieve your symptoms. Click the link below. Let's get that appointment scheduled. When I meet with my clients, help them come up with some ideas on how to fix their food. And she didn't have a stovetop, but she did have a microwave. So if that is the case for you, or maybe you don't want to use your stovetop or your oven, an idea that I found in the store was a microwave rice multi-cooker product. And this comes with a couple suggestions for cooking rice, oatmeal, vegetables, and pasta. I tested it with the pasta. It worked well. Um, you may need to watch it a little bit so that it doesn't boil over. But it takes about the same time to cook the pasta as it does on a stovetop. It is dishwasher safe. You would want to put it into the top rack. And also on the website, there is recipes that you can look for and get for using this product. Another product that the same company makes it's called a breakfast bowl. And again, if you didn't want to use the stovetop, maybe you've just been doing your oats in a bowl, this may be a quicker way to do your oatmeal. It's called the breakfast bowl. It comes with the lid. You unhook the 4 latches, put your oats in, rather quick cereal that you want to eat. You do want to make sure that the tab is open so that the heat can vent out while you're microwaving. And this is just to give you an idea of other things to use besides just the bowl or the stovetop to use to cook with. If you are looking to reduce your symptoms, click the link below and let's connect.